stray cats sitting on the fence. Ain't got enough dough to pay the rent. I'm flat-foot, but I don't care. I straight right by with my tail in the air. I don't bother chasing mice around. I swing down the alley looking for a bite. Out to the outside. Lose while the lady gets wide. Well, the stray cat, you're a real dog guy. I wish I could be as carefree and wild. I got cat class and I got cat style.